A legal battle over the sale of SAA could lead to the downfall of the national carrier. Toto Investment Holdings is suing government and the Public Enterprises Minister for documents related to the sale. It wants these records made public. Toto was one of the companies bidding for SAA. eNCA's Monique Mortlock tells us more.
The Western Cape High Court has heard an urgent interdict application brought by Toto Investment Holdings. The company wants government to provide it with all the relevant documents related to the sale of South African Airways to Takatso Consortium. Legal counsel for Toto argues the records provided by government excludes important information like the reasons leading to the sale of 51% shares to Takatso. These records have been deemed as confidential by opposing counsel.
And they have a duty, my lord, to produce a complete and full record so that the applicant for review is entitled to exercise the right of access to court, my lord. We have also identified Section 1654, my lord, which imposes a duty on all persons, but more particularly the state respondents, to ensure that your lordship is able to discharge judicial functions and duties effectively, my lord.
But government's lawyers have argued if the court grants the interim relief, it could spell the end of SAA.
Number one, the sale may terminate because the guillotine date, the drop dead date, the date for the fulfillment of the conditions precedent may come and go, and the conditions may not have been fulfilled because the interdict will stop the parties from bringing about the fulfillment of those conditions. Number two, there may be a breach of contract and one of the parties may walk away from the deal. If none of those two things happen, what the Director General's affidavit tells His Lordship is SAA has enough money until the end of March 2023. After that, there is no more money. Government has said, I'm not going to be funding SAA after that. There will be no money to run the business, and the business will come to an end.
Harith General Partners under Takatso has also asked the court to strike this matter off the roll due to a lack of urgency. Judge Nathan Erasmus is expected to make a ruling this week. Monique Mortlock, Cape Town.